Welcome back to the Stoic Way. Have you ever felt frustrated by someone's words or actions? Maybe they insulted you, disrespected you, or tried to provoke a reaction. Anger feels justified in the moment, but what does it actually achieve? When you let someone control your emotions, they control you. But imagine being completely unaffected. Imagine no one being able to push your buttons, steal your peace, or make you react. Stoicism teaches us that the ultimate power is emotional control. Today we'll explore 5 powerful Stoic techniques to ensure that no one can ever make you angry or bothered again. If you master these, you will become unshakable. Let's begin. 1. Understand the source. Anger doesn't come from external events. It comes from within you. Epictetus taught, "It is not events that disturb us, but our interpretation of them." If someone insults you, the words themselves have no power. It's your interpretation, your belief that their words matter, that causes the anger. If a child calls you weak, you laugh. If a stranger calls you weak, you might feel offended. If a respected friend calls you weak, you feel betrayed. Same words, different reactions. The difference? Your perception. Next time someone provokes you, pause and ask, "Am I reacting to reality or to my own interpretation of it?" Once you realize that you are in control of your response, their power over you disappears. 2. Control your first instinct. Most anger happens instantly. Someone offends you, and before you even think, you react. But what if you didn't? Marcus Aurelius advised, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. The secret is to pause. The moment you feel anger rising, do nothing. Take a breath. Give yourself a few seconds to observe your emotions before reacting. By delaying your response, you regain control. You realize that most things aren't worth your energy. Try this. Next time someone irritates you, silently count to 3 before speaking. You'll be surprised how often your anger fades before you even respond. Anger is a reflex, but mastery is a choice. 3. Detach from ego. Why do insults hurt? Because they challenge our ego. Seneca reminds us, "What difference does it make how others see you? You are what you are." A wise person doesn't need validation, and they aren't wounded by criticism. When someone tries to offend you, remember, their words do not define you. Their opinions are reflections of them, not you. Your self-worth is untouchable. A lion does not concern itself with the opinion of sheep, so why should you care about meaningless words? Detachment is freedom. The less you identify with insults, the less they affect you. Let people talk. You remain unbothered. 4. Use insults as a test. Every time someone tries to anger you, see it as a test of your discipline, patience, and control. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. If someone is rude, don't mirror them. Rise above them. If someone is disrespectful, stay calm. If someone is trying to provoke you, smile instead." Why? Because it destroys their power over you. Try this. Next time someone insults you, thank them. Say, "I appreciate your perspective." Watch their confusion. Watch their frustration. They expected a fight. Instead, you gave them indifference. That is control. That is power. 5. Train your mind daily. You cannot become unshakable overnight. It takes practice. Just like training the body, you must train the mind daily. Seneca advised, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Here's how to train your mind. Start the day with Stoic reflection. Remind yourself that people may insult you, but you control your response. Expect negativity. Assume that at some point, someone will try to bother you today. Be ready. Treat every irritation as training. Each time you stay calm, you build inner strength. Over time, you become immune to negativity. People's words lose their power, and you remain untouchable. Thank you for joining the Stoic Way as we explored how to never get angry or bothered by anyone again. Remember these 5 principles. 1. Understand the source. Anger comes from within, not from others. 2. Control your first instinct. Pause before reacting. 3. Detach from ego. Stop taking things personally. 4. Use insults as a test. Challenge yourself to stay calm. 5. Train your mind daily. Strengthen your emotional control. By applying these Stoic techniques, you become untouchable. No insult, no disrespect, no negativity can disturb your inner peace. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. Stay strong, stay Stoic. Until next time.